Hey guys, welcome to Codezilla community. I'm Surya, a technical member, and today we are going to see about the boosting technology nowadays, virtual reality. And without any delay, let's get into it. And here I'm having a small definition for VR technology. VR technology is nothing but virtual reality. VR implies a complete immersion experience that shuts out the physical world. Users can be transported into a number of real-world and imagined environments. And this gives the exact definition of the VR technology, virtual reality. And let's see what VR actually is. VR is nothing but virtual reality, typically refers to the computer technologies. It uses the software to generate realistic images and sounds. It replaces a real environment, create an imaginary setting around us. And in the below image and in the beside image, we can see the person experiencing the different types of the virtual reality like video, audio, and many more things we could be experiencing through this technology. By these devices, we could visit many places in some minutes. And these are some VR devices: HTC Vive, Sony PlayStation VR, Oculus Rift, Samsung Gear VR, Google Cardboard, LG VR 360, Google Daydream, Microsoft HoloLens are some VR devices. As we visit any place through this VR, we could completely immerse into the another world. And here comes our short list of the VR applications for Android: Google Cardboard, YouTube VR, Google Daydream, Full Day VR, New York Time VR, Incel VR, Minon Starfighter, Netflix VR are some applications of the Android, which you could also experience through the Android mobile phone. In the Google Cardboard, I have seen an image of 360 degrees without any virtual reality device. Here comes the main point of this or exciting uses of the virtual reality, where and how the virtual reality technology and devices have been used, and the coming to the which VR in military. UK and US are the two countries which have both adopted a user for virtual reality in their training in different forces like Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marines. VR was actually made for the entertainment with focus on the games by 2018. Virtual reality has stepped out and expanding to the market of military education and healthcare. In military, we can provide an effective method of training. It allows them to use simulations and into the number of situations for a range of train purpose. Military uses it for flight simulations, battlefield simulations, and medic training. VR is a completely immersive and visual and sound-based experience in which the soldier can be well trained and face the situations before facing them in the real world. And coming to the mental health VR, mental health with the VR, sorry, a primary method of treating post-traumatic stress, also been used to treat anxiety and phobias and depression. Meditating using VR to be an effective method to manage stress. It could be for some people using meditation for the along with VR with Omkara sound and something other which gives the peace. Through this VR brings a positive impact on the society. VR in sports, VR can be used by coaches and players to train more efficiently, measure athletic and performance, and analyze the technique. Through which we can also expect the different bowling techniques and the batting techniques could be improved before facing them in the real situation. And coming to the VR in education, students are to be able to interact with each other and within a three-dimensional environment can be taken in a virtual field trips, for example, to museums, taking tours of the solar system and going back in time to different eras. And even it is also been used in medical education, like dental students have been using VR for practices, surgeries, and procedures, allowing for consequences free learning environment. It allows the students to develop skills in which later be applied in the real world, using effective way of improving quality of students in training also. VR in fashion, some popular brands that have already been implementing VR in their business include Tommy Hilfiger, Coach and Gap. VR is offering 360-degree view experience of fashion shows and allowing customers to try on clothes virtually. try different number of clothes in some minutes. Could be more like using the VR devices. And coming to the VR in gaming, the actual concept of designing the VR is for entertainment in the gaming, which gives an immersive experience in 360-degree video content and dense graphic provide the feeling of presence. A new level of interaction will be made as we are being in the game and playing along with some robots and some other things as we are playing the game inside living in it. And I'm showing you some small suggestion or something which you can take it. So we could also experience this VR technology through the device, VR devices as I have shown the list. We could also experience in very low cost of 12 to 25 rupees or 26 to 38 as per our wish. You can have from this site or like it's been offering by the Google and experience and explore many more things about it. Oh, before knowing of all these things, as we are known, we are headset, we are as we are experiencing all these things. The first virtual reality headset was created in 1968 by American computer scientist Ben Sutherland and his student Bob Spurl. Is the main reason behind the VR headsets creations. And thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for more informative videos and technology videos, boosting for your knowledge. And stay and like, share, subscribe, and contact us. You can contact us through our links for any queries and details. The links are being given in the description. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.